Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best rolling TV carts that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's starts this videos. Starting at number 5, we have R5 Rolling Floor TV Stand. Made of heavy-duty steel and a thick wood base, this rolling TV cart holds a TV up to 110 pounds. There is a safety lock built into the mounting bracket to prevent your screen from falling over. This stand is compatible with most LCD LED, OLED, Plasma 4K Smart Flat Panel or curved screen TVs and monitors up to 75 inches, and VISA mount of 600 by 400 mm, 24 inches x 16, is compatible with most TV brands. 2 heavy-duty locking wheels on the front make the stand stationary or mobile whenever needed. Under the TV mount are 3 additional shelves for A/V components, gaming system, cable box, etc. It has a swivel TV mount and is height adjustable. Moving on at number 4, we have 5 arcom cart rolling stand. The 5 arcom rolling TV cart supports plasma and LCD flat screens, curved TVs, monitors, and displays from 32 inches to 70 inches in size. The TV mount can be tilted up and down by 15 degrees for an optimal viewing experience. The cart provides a combined weight capacity of 88 pounds for the top and bottom. It offers 5 levels of height adjustments from 51 inches to 67 inches. The lower media component tray shelf has an adjustable height, from 9 to 29, and can accommodate other computing and audio-visual equipment. It weighs 28.1 pounds and comes with a 5-year warranty. At number 3, we have PERLE SMITH TV stand with wheels. PERLE SMITH's TV stand is compatible with most 23 to 55-inch LCD, LED flat screens, and curved TVs. At 30.4 by 12.5 by 4.5 inches, it weighs 24.1 pounds and can hold displays up to 55 pounds. The stand comes with an additional adjustable audio-video tray that can hold 22 pounds. The stand has 4 rubber caster wheels that allow you to roll it without scratching your floor. You can also lock the wheels to keep the stand stable. Made with sturdy steel, the unit can withstand high traffic environments and comes with a built-in wire management solution in the metal column. This allows easy management and concealment of wires and cables in the back of the stand. At number 2, we have Kanto MTM65PL Adjustable TV Stand. Kanto's adjustable stand works with TV sizes ranging from 37 to 65 inches, and it can support a total weight of 80 pounds. Users can adjust the position of the television from 44.1 to 60.2 inches in height. The telescopic center columns offer 20 inches of height adjustment and include integrated cable management for a clean setup. The stand weighs 47.3 pounds and comes in at 33.3 by 28.2 by 79.9 inches. The middle shelf also has an adjustable height to store devices weighing up to 10 pounds. The stand has 4 swiveling wheels that make it easy to move around the floor. 2 of the wheels have locking casters that hold the stand in place when necessary. And finally at number 1. Vivo Mobile TV Cart. You can use the Vivo Mobile TV Cart for 32 to 65-inch plasma, LED, LCD, curved, OLED, and Ultra HD TVs. You can tilt the display up to 15 degrees for better viewing angles, and it comes with 4 locking casters. It can support flat panel TV sets up to 110 pounds. This TV stand also has a middle storage shelf with 19 x 11.5 dimensions capable of holding up to 10 pounds. This is enough to accommodate a laptop, receiver, and audio-video equipment. Made from steel, it comes in at 29.4 by 13.6 by 7.1 inches, weighs 35.2 pounds, and has a 3-year warranty. This television stand provides the perfect setup for both home and professional use, whether you're gaming on your Xbox, giving a work presentation at the office, or teaching in a classroom.